Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you're all doing great. আজকে আমি আপনাদেরকে আমার ক্লাসে স্পোকেনটা কিভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করানো হয় সে ব্যাপারে একটা ডেমো দেখাবো, একটা আইডিয়া দিব স্পোকেনটা কিভাবে প্র্যাকটিস করলে আপনার জন্য হেল্পফুল হতে পারে এন্ড কি কি ম্যানারিজম বা স্ট্যান্ডার্ড আপনারা ফলো করবেন এর উপর একটা গ্লিমস অফ আইডিয়া আপনি ভিডিও দিতে পাবেন। আশা করি শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখবেন। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, what do you understand by historical place?
A place which has a historical value is known as a historical place.
Okay, আরেকটু স্ট্যান্ডার্ড করতে পারতাম। Why are they important?
They represent our history and also our culture and tradition. That's why they are so important to us.
Okay. To which spot did you last visit?
I went to Bagherat Shat Gombuj Masjid in the last month.
What are you feeling regarding that place? And
Well,
why it is famous? Shoshana, what are you feeling regarding that place and why it is famous?
It's one of the oldest mosque in our country. It has a religious value and it's a world heritage now. So that's why it's really important in my country.
How did you enjoy?
I went there with my uncle, aunts and cousins. So the visiting was a joy for me.
Do you think everyone in your country should visit that place?
Definitely. It will help them to know about our culture, about our tradition and the architectural beauty of the monumental.
What we can learn from an historical place?
Well, it tells about our previous history. So history always gives us some lesson. We can take lessons from all kinds of historical monuments.
Okay. Do you think kids should visit our historical places and why?
Definitely kids should visit our historical places. It will allow them to know our tradition, our past struggles, and it will help them to compare our present states with the previous time.
Not bad, not bad.
Okay.
What is the impact of electronics, first in your family, then in your workplace?
Well, electronics device has made our family life much more comfortable and easy. And in workplaces, our work environment has become very work friendly and we have become more efficient because of electronics.
Good answer. Do you think electronics would outweigh many employers from their workplace?
Definitely not. Rather, it will create much more opportunities for upcoming people.
Good answer. After 20 or 50 years, what do you think will be the impact of electronics?
After 20 or 50 years later, we will become more dependent on electronics and our productivity will be much more increased and efficient. We will become much more efficient.
Okay. What's the most common use of electronics these days?
I think mobile phone is the most common use of electronics nowadays. Almost every people is having a mobile phone and using it randomly.
What are the drawbacks of these machines these days? What are the drawbacks of overusing these machines or these facilities?
Okay. Excessive use of mobile phone can cause us many kinds of physical problems like respiratory stress diseases. It can harm our eye and ear sight.
চলে একটু ঘষা মাজা করতে হবে